back to Forrest Speed Shop. So today, we're back with the Yamaha DT100. I'm about to do some other stuff here soon. I'm going to try to get my Harley running, so I figured before I do that, I'll try to do the easier project of the two. We'll get into the Harley details later. But, issue was it would run, and then kind of just would idle actually pretty well. Then you give it throttle and just die. So, we're going to test the compression, which I've been trying to test right now. But the problem is I was using the wrong tester, wrong gauge. This is a PSI gauge. It'll tell you how much compression you got, but not like an actual compression tester. So, I got the U.S. General Harbor Freight compression tester out from the garage because I forgot that we had this up there, but we're not going to talk about that. I got the tank off the bike. It just makes it way easier. Also because that tank's just way bigger than the old one. But that'll make it good for street riding. Because I don't know if I mentioned in the last video whenever I got that on there, the bike is way quieter. Like, when it's running and that tank's on there, the bike, all the engine noise is blocked by the tank. So it's actually like way quieter to ride. But we are going to get into this. Essentially, all you do for compression testing, you take your proper hose. This is the proper hose for my bike. All you do, thread it into here. Oh my god. Make sure not to cross thread. Your spark plug goes in there. So, I can't get it in there. Hold on a second. There we go. Okay, keep going. You want to get it just hand tight. Most of these, yeah, they have O-rings on them. Most of them should, but just get it hand tight. You don't want it tighter than that because you risk messing up your threads and stuff. And then, if you do that, there's no point in checking the compression anymore. You just need a new head. So, take your compression gauge. I'm going to mount this somewhere where I can, or, well, where you guys can see it actually. But basically, you just take this, put it somewhere. I'll just strap it right there. That I can actually just hold it. But here's what you do. So all you do is you just kick it over multiple times until it doesn't go. Oh my lord! You kick it over multiple times until it doesn't go up anymore. So I'm just gonna hold this. Don't press that button. It'll release everything in there. But oh. And that's what it looks like when you don't have compression. So, geez, that's bad. I knew I really needed the top end rebuild on this thing already. Jeez, you're joking, right? It's not that bad. It can't be that bad. It's really that bad. Well, in this video today, we're going to do a top-end rebuild on a Yamaha DT100. Yeah, so it'll be a couple days before I start that project. But I figured I would just do the compression test. I'm not in any way surprised. I figured it needed a top-end rebuild. But it's just kind of funny because I definitely thought it had like 90 PSI. For y'all's reference, we're at 50. Okay, so that's how y'all check your compression, and hopefully you get less disappointing results. I knew I needed to do a rebuild anyway, so I figured I'd just test it. The reason why I knew is because we got Chris's bike running the red one of these, and that thing was super powerful, way faster. You had an actual power band, it would ring and take off and stuff. So, that is that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you guys want to see more how-to videos, please let me know in the comments. Because I can do those pretty good with these things, but it's what you all want to see. So, again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day.